Welcome to Happy Belgaum, Happy Dakiran. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Malagaon. India is the terror capital. Malagaon, Mumbai state is a clear cut. Supreme Court is the responsibility is, and that Modi and Congress is terror declared right, and it is action to Arjikar, and it is action to Happy Pelgam tribute, not tribute, only treatment. It is only action, and you must surrender to in Mumbai, and I solution it. Murder terror problem treatment, not tribute, not respect, only action. Thank you AIA, thank you Interpol, Crime, thank you Supreme Court, thank you Pakistan, thank you Iraq, Iran. God bless you.